Dust off your capes and prepare for round 2. There's more from the Teen Titans team after the break.
Come on, JC. We're going to vacation.
Welcome to the Bionic Max Resort.
Wow.
We offer a large amount of activities such as golf, organic meals,
What?
Ow. Or dancing. 100% fun included.
Wow. Can we go? Can we go? Can we go?
Sure, just make a reservation for the new episodes of Bionic Max. Saturdays and Sundays at 09:15 CAT on Cartoon Network.
It looks awesome, JC.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Collin County in north central Texas, Dallas County in north central Texas, eastern Denton County in north central Texas, northwestern Kaufman County in north central Texas, Rockwall County in north central Texas, eastern Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 5:45 a.m. At 4:44 a.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Manna to 4 miles east of Irving to Mansfield and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Fairview, Cargo Hill, Richardson, Cedar Hill State Park, University Park, Highland Park, Parker, Lowry Crossing, Lucas, Princeton, Duncanville, Cedar Hill, Murphy, Dallas, Garland, Saxe, DeSoto, Oley, Rowood, Farmersville, Lancaster, Hutchins, Mesquite, Sunnyvale, Bulk Springs, Rockwall, Wilmer, Keith, Fate, Royce City, Seagoville, Crandall. Combine and Forney for your protection. Move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside